Do you know what my traders understand that maybe you don't understand? They know what a step in their journey is. You see, everybody, do you understand? Everybody says, yeah, I'm on the journey to trading mastery. I'm on the journey to trading says, hoo, hoo, hoo. Yeah, right. Yeah, everybody's on the journey. I'm on the journey to becoming better. I'm on the journey. I'm going to become that pro. Everybody's like that. That's not special. But ask any one of those people, well, all right, so you're on the journey. What equates to a step? Describe it for me. Describe a step in the journey. What do you mean describe a step? I'm on the journey. Yeah, I know you're on the journey, but you're taking steps on the journey, right? So what's a single step? Explain it to me. The journey? No, I understand you're on the journey, but what is tell me, how do you make a single step on the journey? The journey, Oliver, the journey. That's all they can tell you. I'm on the journey. No one has broken down the journey to a single step, a year, to a month, to a week, to a day, to a trade. What's the purpose of this single trade right now? Is it generically just to win? That's it? That's not enough. That trade needs a specific purpose. And so what my traders know and what the owners of my Trading Planner Pro know is what a single step is. Do you know what it is? It is 20 trades. Never should you catch a trader of mine not knowing what they're working on right now. You ask them, what are you working on right now? I'm working on killing this right now. I'm using my trades not to make money. I'm using my trades for a higher cause. I'm using my trades to kill this. And I am on trade number 16. I've got 4 more to go, and I've completed another step in my journey. So every step is 20 trades. When they're on trade 5, it's 1/5 or it's 1/4 of a step. When they're on trade 10, it's half a step. When they're on trade 20, they completed 1 step in their journey. And so the journey is divided by 20 trades, by 20 trades, by 20 trades. Every 20 trades, you take a step. Every 20 trades, you take a step forward. Every 20, you should not be the same trader on trade 20 as you were on trade 1. How can you be the same trader if you killed a problem? Because at the 20th trade, your problem should be gone. So if you have killed what was causing you to lose like you were losing, if you have killed it on trade 20, how can you be the same trader on trade 20 as you were on trade 1? It's impossible. So you become better. 20 trades by 20 trades by 20 trades by 20 trades by 20 trades. And that should be your mantra. Now, your whole journey is freaking mapped out by 20 trades. Now, every trade you take is more than money. It's grander than money. It's deeper than money. It's life-changing every trade because you're moving 1 step to being purified as a trader. You're moving 1 step to being free of this demon. You're moving 1 step to removing what's blocking the money. You see, everyone's trying to keep all the things that are blocking money in there, and they're trying to go around instead of knocking these things down. There's no around. They're long. You will travel a lifetime trying to find the end to go around this thing. They're super long. You got to knock them down 20 trades at a time. Tell me you understand this. Are you picking up what I'm laying down? Am I boring you with this? I know it's a talking video mostly, and a lot of you need pictures and video to stay entertained. And those people I'm not here for. I'm here for you. The ones who don't need that nonsense. Are you picking up what I'm laying down? Do you understand the power of the pen? Do you understand dividing your journey 20 trades at a time? Do you understand identifying your 13 demons and knocking them out 20 trades by 20 trades? This is what it's made of. There are no books on this. Why? Do you know why? Because this is not fancy. This is not promising you glory overnight. This takes time. This takes effort. This doesn't come overnight. I'm not promising you overnight. That doesn't exist. Not in this world, not on this planet. Outside of the galaxy, maybe. You know I'm always saying this. We have yet to do intergalactic travel. I have not done intergalactic travel. All I can speak to is what happens here on planet Earth. Do you understand me? And what happens here on planet Earth is that things worthwhile do not come right away. And if you get something right away that you did not work for, you better give it back. I mean, as fast as you humanly possible can. Get rid of it. Because I am telling you, the price in this life for what you have not worked for, the price you will have to pay for that is enormous. I wouldn't want that for all the tea in China. My mom used to say that. I wouldn't want that for all the tea in China. I guess I used to like Chinese tea in the Chinese restaurants. But yeah, you've got to work for this. It's tastier and more satisfying and more real anyway. And I've always told you that trading is this microcosmic version of life, traders. You understand? It's a microcosmic version of life. You can't kill a demon in your trading and not knock a demon out in your outside of trading in your regular life. You can't become more disciplined as a trader and not become more disciplined as a father, as a worker, as an employer, as a human being. It spills over. It's not just contained to trading. It's like, all right, I work out in the gym and I become fit. But when I leave the gym, it's the fitness stays at the gym. That doesn't work that way. It moves. The fitness moves with you throughout every area of your life. Your trading fitness will move in every corner of your life. Do you understand? You becoming a good trader will automatically means you're becoming a better human being, a more disciplined human being, a human being that can finally do what they know they should do, a human being who can keep his or her promises, a human being who can give you their word and you know that word is law, a human being who can write something down and because this person wrote it down, it's like freaking gold, like my friend Scott. When he wrote that stop down, that was like freaking gold. And so this becomes bigger than buying something for $1 and selling it for $2. If trading was just that, traders, just making money, there are a million other ways to make money. You could sell crack cocaine and make money. More. You know, like it's got to be more than that. And so when you start to take things like this, where and you're trading where I'm making myself better by killing this trading demon, I'm killing something and I'm improving every corner of my life as well. It takes on a spiritual nature. It goes beyond finances. You begin using trading as a tool instead of being a victim of trading. Trading serves you as a stepping stone to become better, become truer, become a better version of yourself. All right? And so, look. There are things like, you know, your trading plan review. You understand? What must you improve? So after you go through a set of 20, what must you improve? What are the 3 things you did the best? How many traders do that? What are the 3 things what are the 3 things I'm the best at? What am I good at? Do you realize sometimes discovering what you're good at is just as important as discovering what you're bad at? Because do you know it takes 3 times the effort to eliminate a problem, which we still should do, but it takes 3 times more effort to eliminate a problem than it does to accentuate what we do well. So you have to combine these 2 things as well. While eliminating problems, don't ever keep your demons alive, especially the big ones. The baby ones, sometimes little cute baby ones, they're fine. But the big gross ones, that you want to kill them. You want to eliminate them. You know, the beasts, eliminate those. The baby ones, you know, okay, not so urgent. But the big ones you kill. But while you're killing, you also need to take note, what am I really good at? So it becomes this seesaw approach where you're killing the big demons, but you're also accentuate. Remember, you can't kill 2 demons at a time, but you can accentuate what you're good at. Because that's actually easy. Accentuating what you're already good at is easier than killing the demon. So those 2 things you can do at the same time. You just can't kill 2 demons at a time. They're going to overpower you. You understand? But killing a demon and accentuating what I'm good at, because you're already good at it. It doesn't take much effort. So you can add that to the mix.